Those who cannot find seats are requested to start sitting on the aisle. I repeat, those who cannot find seats are requested to sit on the aisle. Grade 10, those of you who cannot find a seat are requested to start sitting on the aisle. Adi, Aditya. Students in the third row are requested to get up so that the teachers can sit. Everyone is requested to maintain silence. Those who cannot find a seat are requested to start sitting themselves on the aisles. Everyone is requested to maintain silence. Students in the balcony and students near the pool. Those who cannot find seats are requested to start sitting themselves in the aisles. Everyone is requested to maintain silence. Grade 7th and 8th are requested to maintain silence up there in the balcony, please. Grade 11th and 12th are requested to remain silent. we would like to invite Mala Ma'am and Sharan Ma'am on stage as we have a little surprise for them.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Our teachers are our primary caretakers. They are the first to cheer us on, celebrate our victories, share our happiness, and know our problems. Our parents away from home. Our teachers constantly guide, shape, and nurture us.
Today, we would like to express our gratitude towards you for working so hard to make each and every student of yours feels wanted, special, capable, and unique. With this, we wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
To begin the day, we have performances and fun games planned ahead.
With this, we would like to invite and hand it over to our quiz masters that are Ravleen and Garv.
Well, hello.
How is everyone?
We would like to wish all the wonderful teachers over here
A very happy Teachers' Day. We appreciate each and every one of you. You have always helped us through many difficult situations. It has not always been studies, but you have always welcomed us with open arms. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the teachers sitting here?
Starting with today's events, we have Taran from class 12 and Amitesh from class 11 who will be singing for us.
Give it
Let's
up for
a round.
Karan and Amitesh.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in
That was wonderful, Tarun. We now have Rachit from class 11.
एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र, क्या समा, क्या जमाना था। एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र, क्या समा, क्या जमाना था। एक दिन वो मिले, रोज मिलने लगे, फिर मोहब्बत हुई, फिर कयामत हुई। तो गए तुम कहाँ सुन के ये दास्तां, लोग हैरान हैं फिर भी अनजान हैं। इश्क की वो गली पास जिसके लगे, उस गली में तेरा आना जाना था। एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था, क्या उम्र थी, क्या समा था, क्या जमाना था। एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था। थैंक यू।
That was wonderful, guys. Now I request team 1 from each house to join us on stage. Teachers who do not have an allotted house are open to join any of the teams.
Would you like to join us? Okay, so now that we have all the teams on the stage, can we ask the teachers to introduce themselves? Just so we know who's on the team.
Vandana, Pinky Prashad,
Mrs. Strict Gulati, Srishti.
I am Nancy.
Anupama. I am Bhavna. Nitu Sharma. Palman. Karan Keher.
Gokul Sharma.
Ritu Bhatia.
Meenakshi Sharma,
Paramjit Singh.
Suvrita Sharma.
I am Sweet Sunaina.
Harmanpreet.
I'm Monica.
Sharanjeet,
Parul Joshi.
Aman.
Thank you, teachers. We'll now be starting with the quiz.
Can we have round one?
So for the first round, we have Bollywood. Naam to Sunai Yoga.
Okay, so the rules for this round are very simple. There are 4 different categories. The teachers can choose any category they want to answer from. Each question carries 10 marks and they'll get 10 seconds to answer the question. There is no negative marking and the question cannot be passed. Okay, so question 1 for Team Gandhara. You can choose your category to answer from. So they choose songs. Which question would you like to answer? Two. You guess the song from the English lyrics. Audience, do not prompt the answers. Can we have the answer?
Now for Nalanda.
songs.
Could we please have songs?
One, please.
One.
मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी।
मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी, मेरा पिया घर आया।
Moving on to Taxila.
Songs.
They'll also choose song.
And question number 3, please.
3. The time is out. Can we have the answer, please?
Shall we?
चोरी चोरी ये माने या न माने मैं तो इस पे मर गया। ये लड़की है अल्लाह, हाय हाय रे अल्लाह। ये लड़की है अल्लाह, हाय हाय रे अल्लाह।
Now we have Vikram Chilla.
Songs.
Songs, please.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जीवन जियो।
Can we go back to the categories? So now you only have 3 categories since you answered songs, everyone. So Gandhara, next category.
Bollywood. Bollywood.
They choose Bollywood.
Number 1.
Number 1. Name the movie where Amitabh Bachchan played the role of Abhishek Bachchan's son.
It's A, Pa.
Can we get the answer? It's the correct answer.
Now we have Nalanda. Please choose your category.
please. Bollywood.
Bollywood.
3.
Question number 3, please. Who plays Jodha's brother in Jodha Akbar?
Sonu Sood.
Could we please have the answer?
Moving on to Taxila. They'll choose Bollywood as well. And question number 2.
Chatur Ramalingam.
Can we have the answer? They are correct.
Now we have Vikram Chilla.
I think we'll go a bit different. We'll go with dialogues.
Please choose your question number.
4.
Guess the movie.
3 दिन से इसी पोज में देख रहा हूं तुझे। भूल जा उस लड़की को, वो तेरी जिंदगी में नहीं आने वाली है। नहीं राजा, अब तो
अंदाज
जिंदगी में
अपना
वही
अपना।
आएगी या फिर इस राशि की जान जाएगी। चल अब डायलॉग बाद में मारना, पहले मेरी मदद कर।
Can you move on to the answer?
Ishq.
Ma'am, we'll take the first answer. That's wrong. Can the audience please maintain silence while the teachers are playing the quiz? यार गर ये ना सारे आंसर से ठीक बोल रहे हैं, मेरे को टेंशन हो रही है।
अरे रवलीन, टेंशन लेने का नहीं है, देने का है।
किसको देने का है?
अरे टीचर्स को देने का है।
Okay, so moving on to round 2, we have tension लेने का नहीं, tension देने का. The rules for this round are very simple. But first of all, the whole team won't be playing this round. You have to send one representative each. Can we have the representatives first? From Nalanda, who's the representative? And Taxila? Ritu ma'am, and from Vikramshila? Parul ma'am. Can we have the representatives on the stage with us?
ये माइक की जरूरत एक्शंस करने तो दम शराब है ये माइक से
Okay, so for the rules for this round, can the teachers check the mics one?
Hello.
Okay, so as for the rules, we'll ask you a few questions. You have to answer really fast. If you stutter, you'll be out.
We thought it was
And this round is not marked, it's just for fun.
Okay. Can my team help me?
Okay, so for better explanation, me, Garv and Aryan will be showing a demonstration how this round is played.
Can we get help from our team?
No.
No type.
Okay, so we'll start naming colors. Red,
Blue. Yellow.
white,
Green.
Black.
White.
golden.
Ma'am, as he said first, so he.
So basically, if you answer, if you take time to answer, or if you repeat the same thing, you'll be out.
Can we repeat?
You cannot.
What do we need to do? मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
So for the first question.
Can you just explain once more? Can you explain once more? We both didn't understand.
Anything that they say, we have to just say different categories of it.
Of the same thing.
Same thing, and then
Okay.
no stuttering, no repeating.
The activity you did in class.
So for the first question we have, name Shah Rukh Khan movies.
We'll start from Gurdev, sir.
Kal ho na ho.
DDLJ.
Rituma, you have to answer. Same question.
Yeah.
You have to make a chain, so they'll say the movies of Shah Rukh Khan, you have to say it. Hints, no answering.
Badshah. Kabhi khushi, kabhi gum.
Don.
Dar.
Teachers, you have to be fast.
बोलो बोलो. नहीं याद आ रहा.
Ritu ma'am, you'll be out in this round.
बाजीगर.
Koila.
Nancy ma'am, you will be out in this round.
Huh?
Since you took time to answer. You don't have to take time. That's the whole round.
Okay.
I was just waiting.
I'll go. Karan Arjun.
Okay, we'll just have another round since the teachers didn't understand the how to play this. Nancy ma'am, we'll play another round since you teachers didn't understand.
Another round.
Ritu.
Okay.
We'll go forward with the same question. Name the SRK movies. You have to be really fast while answering.
Okay.
Shah Rukh Khan movies.
Again, Shah Rukh Khan.
Badhigar.
Dar.
बादशाह. Karan Arjun.
Don.
कुछ होता है.
बाजीगर. कल हो ना हो.
Bazigar has been spoken already, so you will be out in this round.
So I'm out. Thank
Yes.
you.
But ma'am, ma'am, ऐसे नहीं बैठोगे आप. You have to speak a tongue twister as well. Ritu ma'am,
Ritu ma'am.
you have to speak a tongue twister. Since you're out.
Tongue twister also, okay.
Since Ritu ma'am is out in this round, she has to speak a tongue twister 5 times. You'll get 3 chances to do so. The tongue twister is खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह.
How many times? 5 times. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह. खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह. Thank you.
Ritu ma'am, you can sit now.
Thank you.
Thank you ma'am.
Moving on to the second question. Name female lead actresses. Go. Karishma Kapoor.
Aishwarya Rai.
Rani Mukherjee.
Kareena Kapoor.
Kangana Ranaut.
Alia Bhatt.
Hema Malini.
Deepika Padukone.
Preeti Zinta.
Rekha.
Madhuri Dixit.
Sara Ali Khan.
Zeena Taman.
Saira Bano.
Wahida Rahman.
Parveen Bobby.
Smita Patil.
जयप्रदा,
आशा पारिक,
स्वरा भास्कर,
मीना कुमारी,
रीना रॉय,
कोंकणा सेन,
सोनाली, सोनाली बेंद्रे, सोनाली बेंद्रे.
So you have to say something else now. Good day, sir will be out in this round. We have a tongue twister for you, sir.
उन्होंने सोनाली बोला था, मैंने सोनाली बेंद्रे बोला।
अच्छा, इधर खड़ी।
So the tongue twister for sir is डाली डाली पर नजर डाली, किसी ने अच्छी डाली, किसी ने बुरी डाली, जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली ही किसी ने काट डाली. Harinder ma'am will be saying the tongue twister.
डाली डाली डाली, जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली उसके बाप ने काट डाली.
You have to say it 5 times.
डाली डाली डाली, जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली उसके बाप ने काट डाली. डाली डाली डाली, जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली उसके बाप ने काट डाली. डाली डाली डाली, जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली उसके बाप ने काट डाली. डाली डाली डाली, जिस डाली पर मैंने नजर डाली वो डाली उसके बाप ने काट डाली.
Nancy ma'am and Parva, can you come in the center? Thank you, Harinder.
Okay, audience.
Okay. ठीक है, पक्का पक्का.
So this is like when a teacher gets stopped by a cop at a red light. And the lady says, well, I'm a teacher, don't stop me. He says, no, I will not punish you. I won't take you anywhere. You will simply sit down here and write 100 times, I will never jump a red light.
Okay, so for the last question for this round.
Name council members.
You can include the ones who have passed out.
Okay. Garv,
Pravleen,
Manya,
there is a short name.
Kavarveer,
Saira Mamik. Not yet? Okay. I don't know any names, I'm sorry.
Nancy ma'am will be asking.
I haven't been introduced yet.
Nancy ma'am, your tongue twister.
Question. I'm sorry, this one I didn't know.
Okay, so Nancy ma'am का tongue twister is समझ समझ के समझ को समझना ही समझ है, जो समझ को समझ कर भी ना समझे वो क्या है, वो ना समझ है.
समझ समझ के समझ को समझना ही समझ है, जो समझ को समझ कर भी ना समझे वो क्या है, वो ना समझ है. समझ समझ के समझ को समझना ही समझ है, जो समझ को समझ कर भी ना समझे वो क्या है, वो ना समझ है. समझ समझ के समझना समझ को समझना ही समझ है, जो समझ को ना समझ कर भी ना समझे वो क्या है, वो ना समझ है. One more time.
5.
Okay. समझ समझ के समझ को समझना ही समझ है, जो समझ को समझ कर भी ना समझे वो क्या है, वो ना समझ है. समझ समझ के समझ को समझना ही समझ है, जो समझ को समझ कर भी ना समझे वो क्या है, वो ना समझ है. Thank you.
Thank you so much, teachers. We will now request the current teams to go back and seat themselves in the audience. So we'll take a pause for the quiz. Thank you, teachers.
Now we have an amazing performance by Sumer of class 11.
अरे अरे अरे, मुझे पहचाना नहीं? मैं वो अनाड़ी जो मिस डीसा के घर रहता हूं। आज हमारे अध्यापकों और अध्यापिकाओं को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज आपके सामने पेश खिदमत है इस नाचीज का एक छोटा सा गीत। किसी का दर्द दिल सके तो ले ना, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द दिल सके तो ले ना, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं, माना मुझे मुझे फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, चले बाहर के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। चलो अभी चलता हूँ, वरना मिस डीसा मुझे बहुत मारेंगी।
Thank you, Sumer, for such an amazing performance. Now, back to the quiz. Can I request Team 2 of all houses to come on stage?
अमित सर भी हमारे साथ इसमें अमित सर उधर कहाँ जा रहे हो टैक्सीला है सर टैक्सीला है
Okay, so for the next half of the quiz, we'll start with the introduction first, so we know who's on the team. We'll start from Gandhara.
Bindya Khanna. Anu here.
Shweta Agnihotri.
Manju Phulka.
Savita Sood.
Sajmeet Sandhu.
Shubhangi.
Hi, I'm Nikita.
Hi, I'm Gitanjali. Hi, I'm Gaganjo Sachdeva.
Hi, I'm Gary.
Hi, I'm Sonia Nawab.
हाँ जी, hi, I'm Vikram.
Hello, I'm Poonam.
Hello everyone, I'm Reenu. Good morning, Amrit Kaur.
Okay, I'm Tavinda Bindra. Daring Deepika.
Geetu Sharma. Dr. Shweta.
Mala ma'am. Hi, I'm Abhidha Nirmohi Sekho. Hi, I'm Lavisha. Hi, I'm Neelu Dugal. Deepika Ghai.
Sonika Gahlawat.
Hi, I'm Poonam. Good morning, Vivek. I'm Supreet.
Hi everyone, Priyanka.
Hi, I'm Reshma. Hi, I'm Amrita.
Vivek High School Parade, attention! I'm Vinay.
Hello everyone, I'm Preeti ma'am.
Hello everyone, I'm Amit.
Naz.
Good morning, Simran here.
Good morning, Amanveer.
Guten Morgen, Angelique Anjali. Hi everyone, I'm Tamanna.
गर्व का है गर्व गर्व what are you doing why are you eating nachos girl
Because it's time to let's nacho.
please girl do not embarrass yourself okay so now moving on to the most interesting round of this quiz let's nacho Okay, for the rules, this round will be played by 2 representatives from each house. A song will be played, you have to do the hook step of that song. The correct hook step will get you 10 marks, and if the team answers for you, you'll get 5 marks. Should I repeat the rules? So a song will be played, the teachers have to do the hook step, but the whole team will not be playing this, you'll have to send 2 representatives each. If the 2 representatives do the hook step correctly, they'll get 10 marks, but if the team answers for them, like the team member tells them what the hook step is, you'll get 5 marks. So can you have 2 representatives from each house?
And if there's a male member in any team, then one person has to be male.
Clarity about what is the dance. I'll dance just yet.
Vinay, would you like to do this challenge? The rest of the teachers can dance as well. There's no restriction on that. Okay, so we'll start with the round. The first song goes to Team Gandhara. Sir, can you play the song? Ten points for Gandhara. Next song for Nalanda. Ten points for Nalanda. Next song for Taxila.
इश्क में जीना मरना ये से शाबाश माफिया से शाबाश माफिया से शाबाश माफिया से शाबाश
10 points for Taxila. Next song for Vikramshila. 10 points for Vikramshila.
We'll be moving on to the next round.
Next song for Gandhara. Points for Gandhara.
Next song for Nalanda.
Unfortunately, that wasn't the hook step of the song. Veenu ma'am did it. We'll give 5 points for that. Shweta ma'am wants to do the hook step of the song. We'll give 10 points for that, for sure.
Nalanda gets 5 points. Nalanda gets 10 points. Moving on to Taxila. Taxila gets 10 points. Now it's Vikram Shila's turn.
खड़ी खड़ी क्या सोच रही है चल हो जाए 9 तो 11 टन 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 ढाला चलती है क्या 9 से 12
Will any team member of you would like to answer this?
खड़ी खड़ी क्या सोच रही है चल हो जाए 9 तो 11 टन 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 ढाला चलती है क्या 9 से 12
That wasn't the hook step of the song, but we loved watching Amit sir dance. We'll give 5 marks for that. Can you play the song again so we can show them what the hook step is?
खड़ी खड़ी क्या सोच रही है चल हो जाए 9 तो 11 टन 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 ढाला चलती है क्या 9 से 12
Should we give them 10 points if they do the dance with me? Sir, can you play the song?
खड़ी खड़ी क्या सोच रही है चल हो जाए 9 तो 11 टन 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 ढाला चलती है क्या 9 से 12
Can we have the next song for Gandhara? That wasn't the hook step of the song, ma'am. Neeru ma'am, would you like to join us as well? Nikita ma'am knows it. Can you play the song? Ten, 5 points for Gandhara since Nikita ma'am answered for them. We can give them 10 points, I guess. We'll give 10 for everyone now. Can you have the next song for Nalanda? Ten points for Nalanda.
Moving on to Taxila. That was the correct hook step. 10 points to Taxila. Moving on to Vikramshila.
We'll give 10 points to Vikramshila to do the correct hook step with us. With this, we come to the end of round 3. Can you give a huge round of applause for all the teachers who did the hook step? Competition is tough हो रहा है.
यार लास्ट राउंड है, इनको दम लगाना पड़ेगा.
देखे जरा किसमें कितना है दम, जम के रखना कदम मेरे साथिया. ओके, राउंड 4. देखिए जरा किसमें कितना है दम. It's basically a buzzer round. माइक चल भी रहा है. Can we have the rules for this round? Okay, so the team who presses the buzzer will get to answer first. Each question carries 10 marks. Every wrong answer carries negative marking, so answer carefully. 5 marks will be deducted for the same, but you'll get 2+ marks if you can name the characters in the movie. Name the characters in the movie. So can we check the buzzers? Taxila's buzzer is working. All the buzzers are working fine. Vikramshila, can you check your buzzer? So we'll be starting with the buzz round. Are the rules clear to everyone? Can we have the first question for the buzz round? Audience, no prompting, please.
रब ने बना दी जोड़ी रब ने बना दी जोड़ी
That is the correct answer.
and Shah Rukh Khan and that actor
Can you
Anushka Sharma.
Can you name the names in the character, like in the movie?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Not the actor names, but what they were named in the movie.
The character names, ma'am.
Surinder Sahani and Surinder Sahani, Raj.
And Anushka's name? Anushka Sharma's name in the movie. Vikram Shala gets 10 points. Sorry, 12, plus 2 for naming the characters. The next question. Taxala?
तेरे नाम?
Yes,
That
ma'am,
is the
that's the
correct
correct
answer.
Character is Radhe.
Yes, ma'am. 12 points for Taxala.
बस यही है ना तेरे नाम वही तो कह रही हूँ बेस्ट थिंग इज
Can we have the next question?
कुछ कुछ होता
Gandhara?
कुछ कुछ होता है.
And the names of the characters?
So it will be Rahul, Anjali and Tina.
12 points for Gandhara.
वो इंडिपेंडेंस पे था आजादी
Ma'am, you have to be quick while pressing the buzzers. That's what you tell us when we are in a buzzer round. Nalanda?
Okay, Chak De India.
No, ma'am. -5 for Nalanda. Vikram Shala?
एक था टाइगर.
No, ma'am. -5 for Vikram Shala. Yeah. Gandhara?
Rustam.
-5 for Gandhara. I think we can move on to the answers since no one knows them. Does the audience want to answer? And they are correct. It's Mr. India. We'll move on to the next question. Teachers, be ready. Taxila.
It's Dabang and
is the
Chulbul
correct
Panda is the character.
12 points for Taxila. Teachers, be quick in pressing your buzzers. Next question. Audience, you do not have to answer.
Yeah, what was that? Sonu ke Titu ki sweetie.
That is the correct answer. And since the character names are in the title itself, you have to name the actors.
We have already pressed the buzzer.
Okay, ma'am.
Sonu ke Titu
Haan
ki
ji, haan ji.
sweetie.
You have to name the actors. Actors,
I
actors,
didn't
actors.
guess the movie.
Audience, please maintain the decorum.
कौन कौन है? Sonu, Titu and Sweetie. Characters belong.
You have to name the actors, ma'am.
Ma'am, since the title itself has the name of the characters, you have to name the actors.
Karthik Aryan and Nusrat.
Karthik
You're
Aryan.
correct. 12 for Gandhara. Next question.
This Carry On Jatta.
That is the correct answer. Who are the characters in the movie, ma'am?
That's a tough one. Carry On Jatta. Carry On Jatta. Is it Mahi? Mahi? Actor's name, na?
Is it? Shall we?
We guessed the movie.
Sorry, Gandhara, Taxila already gave the correct answer.
They never guessed the movie. They never named the character.
They named the character.
So we can get 50% at least.
We can give one point for Gandhara because they named the character of Gippy Garewal, and Taxila 12 points because they named the movie and the character. So it's Carry-On Jatta, the character name is Jasant Mahi. Next question. You cannot press the buzzer before the question.
Dhamal.
That is the correct answer. Characters.
We know the answer. Roy.
10.
Roy. There is
10, 9,
Roy, Adi.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bapan, Roy, Adi, Bapan.
The countdown is over.
You will get marks for the correct movie. They name 3 characters.
There we know the answer.
Teachers, you have to press the buzzer after the question is shown. It's creating a lot of confusion.
Roy, Ali, Adi, and Baman.
Those were the correct names. Nalanda will get 2 marks. 1 mark. 1 mark, 1 mark.
We'll move on to the next question. Make sure you press the buzzer after the question is shown. Taxila.
3 Idiots. Chatur Wangde. One is Chatur Wangde. Farhan.
They get 12 points.
Can anyone else name the main characters?
Can we answer?
Rancho and Chatur.
Only one.
Funsuk Wangde. Raju.
Chaturlingam.
Farhan. Wangde.
Millimeter.
I think we can give every team 2 points. Each one of them answered the characters. So we'll hurry up now. Next question. Vikram Shala.
Is this?
Guess the movie, guess
Chandni Talk to China.
Correct. What is the name of the character?
Akshikum.
10,
9,
8.
We know the
7,
name.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We'll move on to Gandhara.
Yes, we know the character.
Can you name the characters?
You know the name of the actress or the character?
Not the actors, the characters. Since no one knows the character names, we'll give 10 points to Vikram Shala. Next question.
Lagan.
Can you name the characters?
Kachra. Gauri. Bhuvan.
Vikram Shala gets 12 points. Next question. Gandhara.
Om Shanti Om.
And the characters, ma'am?
Om and Shanti Priya.
12 points for
Shah
Gandhara.
Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone.
Next question. We'll go to Nalanda. Ma'am, you
But we're not getting it now. फिर वो press नहीं हो रहा है.
मुन्ना भाई MBBS.
That is the correct answer. Characters, please.
मुन्ना भाई. मुन्ना.
Circuit. 12 points for Nalanda. Next question. Gandhara.
भाग मिल्खा भाग.
भाग मिल्खा भाग.
मिल्खा सिंह. फरहान अख्तर.
फरहान अख्तर.
Correct, correct, correct.
12 points for Gandhara. Next question.
The last question. Taxila, no.
Taxila.
मेरे सामने वाले.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Padosan, Padosan. The movie is Padosan.
Characters. Characters. Okay.
Gurudutt. Gurudutt and that pretty woman. Saira Banu. Sorry, Sunil Dutt, not Gurudutt. Sunil Dutt, Saira Banu, and
Not the actors, but characters.
We'll move to Nalanda.
Look at the buzzer. It's hard. Look at the buzzer. It's hard. So, it's Mahmood, Sunil Dutt, Saira Banu.
Ma'am, that are the actors, characters.
Bindu, Bhole, Guru, and Master Ji.
The correct answer. Gandhara will get 2 points since they name the characters, and Vikram will get 10 points since they name the movie. Sorry, Taxila will get 10 points since they name the movie. This was the last kept question. With this, we come to the end of the quiz. Thank you so much, teachers.
So we hope that the teachers had a great time playing the quiz, and now we request all the teachers to seat themselves in the audience. Thank you.
Results are being compiled.
Now, as you all know, no Vivek High event is complete without him. Since the results are being compiled, we ask Vikram sir to come up on stage and serenade us with a wonderful song.
Okay. This song is by Robbie Williams. Most of you probably wouldn't have heard of him. He was during my time. It's called Angels. It's actually for your teachers who are angels for you. Okay? So I'll sing for your teachers. All right? Ashish, 1 number. I sit and wait, 'cause an angel contemplate my fate. Do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel that love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. I'm down the waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know the life won't break me when I'm bound to go. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. When I'm feeling weak and my pain walks down a one-way street, I look above and I know I'll always be blessed with love. As the feeling grows, she puts flesh to my bones. When love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. I'm down the waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know the life won't break me when I come to go. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. You want to sing with me now, okay? They are angels, kids, they are angels. They are your angels. Are you ready? For your angels, come on. With all, she offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. And down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know that life won't break me when I come to go. She won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. Okay, and this last song is a song that most of you will know. Okay, and it is a classic. All right, Ashish, number 2. You can sing the chorus with me. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The Okay, you want to hear last one? This is going to be very tough. Okay, this song is dedicated to the LGBTQ community. But I'm going to try it. Okay. You have to sing with me, guys. You know this song. Amen. 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 All right, start. Everybody's disapproval. Should worship her sooner. If the heavens ever takes me, she's the last through my lips. Every summer's getting lonely. Fresh poison leaves me. We were born sick, love and say it. Church offers no one. Worship in the dead. Only heaven I'll be sent to. Long way. I was born to what I love. And I need to be born. What you thought it was
Thank you so much, sir. That was indeed a beautiful performance. Now we would request Renu ma'am to please come up and announce the results of the quiz.
So here I am. Good morning, everybody. I've got the most exciting piece of paper in my hand. But before the results, I need to thank all the council members, every student in the auditorium for making this such a beautiful morning for us. Thank you, children. And thank you, Vikram, for dedicating that beautiful song to the teachers. Thank you. We have to hurry up. Now, all of you saw the marks over there, but this has been tallied, teachers, and you have to now hold the reputation for your house. In the fourth place, in the fourth place, we have the red color, Nalanda. Okay. Third place is the blue, Vikram Shala. In the second place, we get the green signal, which is Taxala. And in the first place, no guesses, yellow Gandhara. So well done, but all the teachers, y'all were great. Thank you. I think we have some housekeeping announcements by the council, and we have to quickly empty out the auditorium. Thank you, council members, once again.
With this, we come to the end of this Teachers' Day. We hope you enjoyed as much as we did in organizing this quiz.
We take this opportunity to thank all the contributors, supporting staff, Ashish sir, Manoj sir and Deepu Bhaiya. We request all the teachers to please gather in the auditorium foyer. Everyone is requested to leave the auditorium using the rear exit, that is the door on my right, and grade 4th is requested to remain seated. I repeat, grade 4th is requested to remain seated. Thank you. Teachers are requested to please gather in the auditorium foyer as we have a surprise for them. Students are requested to please remain seated for the time being and start moving from the rear exit. Grade 4th is also requested to start moving back. I repeat, grade 4th is also requested to start moving back.
Students, please let the teachers move out first.